is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today it is freezing. Can't win with this Pennsylvania weather. But I have been down for a couple days. Right before, I think last week, I got my wisdom teeth out, so I haven't been able to do a whole lot. But before I had that done, I basically went on a welding spree and got most of everything welded up. I didn't really film a whole lot of it because it's just a whole bunch of welding. But I got most of all the notches welded up, cross member, link tabs. I'm gonna start welding up the axle tabs today. I got these plates to box in the frame where the notches are, give it a little more strength. And then I gotta finish welding up the link bars, because right now I just have them tacked on, but I gotta go through, weld all them, weld the rear end up, and then do a little bit of grinding here and there just to clean everything up, and then I can get the frame coated. I'm gonna show you guys a pretty nice undercoating that I use. Yeah, so I would paint the frame, but I'm not a fan of doing a whole lot of paint work on, like, if the frame wasn't blasted and, you know, everything. It's hard to make paint actually look really good on it. There's an undercoating that I found that does really good, lays down pretty good. Once I get everything welded, painted, then the rear end can go in for the last time. We're gonna get the bed cut out. Hopefully, possibly, I can get the bed sat on this weekend, and then we can start running all the plumbing, the wiring, and everything for the tank compressors and such. Let's get into it.
Ashes and I'm crossing the waters, breaking all the limits, then I'm pushing it harder, striking every match, light it up where it's dark. Now just ain't enough for me. All the stuff that we said has been wasted so many times. My trust I contain it, line up excuses, it's all getting gated. Leaves me with a bad taste in my mouth. What are you waiting for? Get up and get it done. Gaps as I'm running the corners, waiting for the wave, take me across all the borders, riding like the wind, going down without warning.
All right, the frame, as you just witnessed, is undercoated, and I got the link bars hung up here in the paint booth because what I'm gonna be doing, I had this idea. I had this idea that I would do everything black and undercoating, and then the link bars, since the truck is a patina truck that he wants to keep that way, why not make the link bars look patinaed? I'm hoping it looks all right. It should. My process, I got this rusty colored primer, and then he's got a can of the blue. I'm just gonna shoot the primer on it, shoot the blue on it, scuff a couple areas, and I'll probably end up clearing it. I'll have to see how it looks when it's done, but might clear it, might do like a flat clear or something. That's the last piece of the puzzle to paint. All right, so the battery died. yeah, we're gonna get to primering the link bars. Hopefully they stick. I think it's up to 40 degrees out now. I haven't been able to work the last couple days because I knew what I needed to get done was painting, and over the weekend I got everything welded up and stuff. It was like 60. As soon as Monday hit, it was 20. Yesterday, like it was 12 degrees, 20 degrees, 12 degrees, I don't know. It was cold and I didn't go outside. But today, temperatures are up a little. It's supposed to be like 50 or something. Tomorrow's supposed to be 70, but I don't want to wait because these don't have to be perfect, right? Patinaed, whatever. Patinaed, yeah. Hey, if it runs, that just adds character, right? Let's get at it.
Crossing the waters, breaking all the limits that I'm pushing it harder. Striking every match, light it up where it's dark now. Just ain't enough for me. All the stuff that was said has been wasted so many times. My trust I've been taken.
Alright, my goal was to be done by March 31st with the truck. That didn't happen because I was missing some stuff with this Air Max kit. It's not a whole kit if that's what you think. But anyway, the last video that I don't know what's going on with this GoPro, it's pissing me off. Anyway, we got the bed put back on. The manifold didn't come with fittings for the gauges, so I had to order them. I had to order Airline. The one gauge didn't come with a fitting. I ordered them from Amazon and they didn't send the right ones. So I got them coming. I got a couple little other things coming, but the truck's almost done. I have little odds and ends to do, but it should be done by the end of this week. I'm gonna keep going on the truck. I'll film here and there, but you're not gonna see the truck done until the next video, which I'm just gonna make a whole montage of the whole build. So if you wanna see what the truck looks like and everything, you're gonna have to come back. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss it. Subscribe. I don't like saying that anymore because I just think it's, you know, if you like the channel, you're gonna subscribe. If you're not, you're gonna move on. So whatever. But stay tuned because when this truck leaves, the plasma table gets set up. I got a Suburban coming in and a couple other things. So it's gonna get interesting. But thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.